rectangular fusing blocks containing the small pieces of each size. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for smart placement. Select the small pieces of one size, for example the collar pieces. Everything you will now define will be valid for all pattern sizes. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Define the fusing blocks. This should be rectangular blocks with an outer gap of 10 mm and a gap of 5 mm between the pieces. Each block is maximal 880 mm large or high. Indicate that you want separated blocks for the different bundles. Click on OK to save the block definition and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has created fusing blocks containing the small pieces, one block per bundle.